Conditional formatting lets us change the way that emails appear in our inbox depending on criteria. So we can do things like color code emails from a specific sender to get an at-a-glance view of who's sending us email. So to do that, we go to View and then View Settings. So this brings up the Advanced View Settings window, and we can click on Conditional Formatting, where we can do things like set user-defined fonts on each message. So opening up Conditional Formatting, we can see that there already are some rules set. Things like unread messages will display a certain way, as will any message that fits in with these other rules. So the properties of the rule are defined here. So we can click on Font for unread messages, and we might change the color of all unread messages to red. We can change other settings, but we'll just change the font here, and we'll click OK, and then OK, and then OK. And we'll see that all unread messages in this inbox are now showing as red. So that's how we modify an existing rule, but what if we want to add our own rule? What if we want to say all messages that come from Belinda Newman need to be, say, pink? So if we go to View Settings and then Conditional Formatting again, we can add a custom rule. And then we'll call this rule Belinda Newman. And then we'll add a condition for this rule. So we need to ensure that all messages from, and then we choose Belinda Newman from our global address list. And we can just double click on her there, and she'll appear in this from box here, and we click OK. And then we can click OK. And then we can change the font of the message. So we want to change the color to fuchsia. And then click OK, and then OK, and OK again. And we'll see that all emails from Belinda Newman are now showing up as fuchsia. So we can get an at-a-glance view of our inbox and see which emails have come from Belinda. And other emails will show as black here in the standard format. So it's not just the sender that can change the implementation of a rule. We can add custom rules that rely on other criteria to change the format. So here are some other options that we can use to implement conditional formatting. These are very self-explanatory, say emails that have high importance. And under advanced, we have a lot more fields that we can define to implement these conditional formatting rules. So you can have a look through these and see if there are any that apply to you. But this is an introduction to conditional formatting in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or send me an email at elliot@gcits.com.au.